Hey y'all, my name's Brie'Anne and I am hosting One Hot EdTech Minute. I created this channel because I really enjoy creating screencast tutorials and I'm pretty good at it. So I wanted to share my talent with the world and fill a gap that I see in the YouTube community, which is quick and easy to follow tutorials for the busy educator. I've been a classroom educator for 8 years and I'm always searching for quick and easy to follow tutorials on YouTube for how to do things that I don't know how to do, or for how-tos for my students to follow. So I sure hope you subscribe and stick around, and please comment below if you have any ideas about things that I could create a quick tutorial on how to do. See you next time.